Introduction to Email Automation with Zapier.
Absorbs automating repetitive tasks for you. With Zapier, you can connect your favorite apps and automatically send emails based on specific triggers. In this guide, you'll learn how to quickly set up automated email workflows, making your communications faster and more consistent.
Getting started, what you'll need.
Before you begin, make sure you have a Zapier account and access to the apps you want to connect, like Gmail or Outlook. Know your login details and decide which task you want to automate, such as sending a welcome email when a new form is submitted. Having this ready will help you move through the setup smoothly.
Creating your first Zap?
A Zap is a workflow in Zapier that consists of a trigger and an action. Start by clicking Create Zap in the Zapier dashboard. For the trigger, select the app and event that should start the automation, like receiving a new Google form response. Test the trigger to make sure Zapier can access the data you need.
Setting up the email action?
Next, choose your email app, such as Gmail, as the action. Select Send Email and connect your email account if prompted. Customize the subject, body, and recipient fields. You can insert dynamic information from the trigger, like a name or email address, to personalize each message. Test this action to check that the email sends correctly.
Activating and managing your workflow.
Once your Zap looks good, give it a clear name and turn it on. Now, every time your chosen trigger event happens, Zapier will automatically send your custom email. You can monitor and edit your Zaps at any time in your dashboard to adjust workflows or troubleshoot issues.
Tips for successful email automation.
Double-check your email content for accuracy before activating your Zap. Use clear, personalized subject lines and consider including unsubscribe instructions for bulk mailouts. Regularly review your automations to ensure they're working as expected and update them as your needs change. Email automation with Zapier can help you stay organized and responsive with minimal effort.